Baby, you give me feels and I know that it's real. You give me feels.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Quisha B and I am back with another video. Today I'm doing a sibling mukbang. I got my sister and my brother, and go ahead and introduce yourself.
I'm SunQuaria.
I'm DeQuon.
What's up?
Alright, and we got two different places. Yeah, we got Jack in the Box,
Taco Bell, basically, yeah.
Yes,
we got.
And I got medium fry, then I got the nacho fries, then I got a sourdough jack with a strawberry Skittle Freezy with a Sprite strawberry and cinnamon twist. Bow. What'd you get, Nay?
Got the Baconator. That's what I got, yep. And the fries, twisties for Taco Bell. Got the little freezy Baja Blast. Poncha grape juice.
Poncha grape juice.
Well, I got me 2 loaded potato grillers, you know, hungry ass nigga. Crunch wrap, extra hungry. Triple layer nacho, Fiesta potatoes, $5 nacho.
Ew!
So $5, and a Baja Blast to quench my thirst. What should I start with first?
That's
While
bomb.
finish these off.
That's bomb.
Because we'll be making smack your sisters.
Sweet and sour sauce from Jack in the Box.
Damn.
What's that? Mild.
Mild sauce, baby.
I'm really glad they came back with the nacho fries at Taco Bell.
You got
They
some?
were so good. Yeah, they're right here.
Really? What damn? Why didn't you get that?
Well, you weren't in the car.
Yeah, you know.
A few moments later.
Yeah. This is so lit. This is my first mukbang with them. It's not going to be my last. Except for him. He's going off to California.
Yep.
What are you doing in California?
Going to school and play football.
What school?
Santa Barbara College.
Are you excited to, like, be on your own?
Excited, but scared some, you know.
Nervous?
Nervous. Never been on my own before.
When I first moved out on my own, I wasn't, like, scared, but, like, I missed home, like, a lot.
You moved with somebody.
But I was, well, yeah, I was living with somebody. But, I was scared, too. I had, like, bills start to come.
But you moved to that's it. Might be an easier move than moving to a different state.
Yeah. What's going on in your life?
Life it is. Get me a job, hopefully soon.
How's school going?
Pretty good. Yeah.
What's, like, your best and worst part about school? Because you're still in high school.
Waking up.
For all them.
Going.
And going.
Watching the clock.
2:30 ever come around.
You're gonna miss that shit when you graduate, though.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm gonna want me a job real fast.
I'm telling you, when you graduate high school, you miss that shit. So as soon as you graduate, you miss seeing everybody's faces, you miss seeing your teachers, miss playing sports.
I don't play sports.
Are you thinking about playing a sport when you're last year of high school?
Yeah, volleyball.
That's what I played. That was I feel like that's the only sport I was actually comfortable playing with. Like, I played basketball for, like, a little spell. It wasn't long. I did Hoop Fest one year.
Huh.
That was pretty interesting.
And I got mad at you and ended up picking the coach. That was funny.
Dad wanted to be my coach, but my best friend's dad was our coach.
So why you pick me? When you play basketball before, Dad? When you play basketball? And you know, shoot the ball, shoot the ball. I'm like, boy, what coach you know about?
This food's so good. I was waiting. I've been waiting so long to eat. When I got the Cinnabon at the mall, I smashed that.
You didn't give me a piece.
Hmm?
You didn't give me a piece.
Of course not. I was hungry. When you're hungry, you don't want to share your food with anybody.
You bet.
Nobody.
I need a fork. You bet.
You forgot your shirt too, Lane.
Yeah.
Lane got on the Hendrick. I got on the Tupac.
Jimmy.
He had on the Polaroid. He doesn't want to be like us.
2 hours later.
Wardrobe change.
Yeah, you know,
Who you
Biggie
got on
and
your
Jay-Z.
Biggie and Jay-Z.
Yeah, I got.
So earlier we were talking about like the best throwback movies. So let's see. Which one was better? House Party 1 or I can't even say Don't Be a Menace.
Kusha. We were born in 99 and 2002. I don't know anything about those movies.
Those are throwback movies, so it's because we used to watch them.
I never watched that movie.
What movie?
House Party 1 and Don't
You
Be
never
Menace.
watched House Party?
Nope.
Really, nigga?
You're gonna start a YouTube channel?
Mm-hmm. Way on it.
Okay. What kind of content are you gonna have?
It's about my everyday life in California.
On like skateboarding and stuff?
No.
Are you gonna be done skateboarding?
Yeah.
Why?
I can't get hurt.
Mm. I guess that's true. But still, you like to skateboard. You could do it for fun. I mean, I don't know.
Can't get hurt.
Have you ever gotten hurt skateboarding?
Yeah.
What's the worst that's ever happened?
A bunch of rolled ankles. Couldn't walk for about a few days.
You know what's funny though? You know what I just thought about?
What?
When Dad let you ride his motorcycle? I wasn't here, but I heard the story and I seen the scar.
Yeah.
And it was pretty funny.
What
I can't even believe you rode on a motorcycle by yourself.
It wasn't my fault. The car, stopped right there. Some kid was hating on me for a second. Fuck around, hit the gas instead of the braking. Almost fell. I mean, I did fall. Scratched my leg up and everything. Yep. With a lifelong scar.
The only time I rode him, well, I can't say the only time because I've ridden one before, after that, but with Dad, was when we stayed over.
A diamond?
Yeah. And he had that little black one, that little black motorcycle, and I was on the back of it, and I didn't have a helmet on. and you rode on a motorcycle too, huh?
Oh yeah, I did.
We were apartment
Forgot about
kids.
that.
Ghetto apartment kids.
Hands up in the air. I was going for it.
It was lit.
Damn. Should've bought extra drink.
That's why I got 2.
You thirsty though.
Mm-hmm.
Damn. Well, I spent $17 at Taco Bell. I ain't gonna eat everything though. I'm already getting full.
Mm. Oh! Well, put your garbage up there. But, how do you feel about YNW Melly? Do you know who that is?
No.
Ooh.
I think he did some fuck shit. And it's true, it's some fuck shit. Because killing 2 of your closest friends, that's dirty, that's faulty as hell.
Mm-hmm. You killed somebody, and then you wrote a song about it, and then you got famous, and now you're in jail.
No, he wrote the song in 2017. He killed a friend in 2018.
He wrote the song before he actually killed him?
Yeah, but the song wasn't about them.
Oh. Makes sense.
Yeah,
Everyone was saying that the song was...
Everybody was fucking fake FBI agent.
That's true.
See, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Like that Kanika Jenkins, I was an FBI agent.
I looked at all the dudes with sunglasses and everything. Like, I see the like her
Did
sunglasses.
you remember that? The girl who was the Chicago girl who got killed
Down
in the
prison?
hospital?
Oh, the hospital,
Oh,
the
yeah.
hotel.
I meant the
hotel?
Yeah, the hotel.
That was crazy.
I'm about to do a reaction. I'm gonna eat you like some food.
I wonder what really
I'm trying to
happened.
give you. It's my son.
Her friend set her up for some money.
For some 400 funky ass dollars.
Y'all think that's what really happened?
Maybe, I don't know. We don't know what the fuck's going on. Niggas are crazy. Bitch will set you up for a fucking McDonald's burger. Cool, buddy.
DeQuon said he's gonna start a YouTube channel. Do you think you're ever gonna start a YouTube channel?
No.
Not for you.
Not for me.
Hey, I might do a reaction video. Some shit.
That's a good idea. I'm stealing it.
I was in there cooking some food
Oh
and shit.
my god.
Just heard that man run down the stairs, come down to the kitchen, stepped on a fucking rat. Jumped up, ah, a rat! It was crazy shit, I'm telling you.
No, here's the real story.
That was a real story.
No, that wasn't. That was similar. So this is what happened. So I was in the living room watching TV, and my dad was in the kitchen, and he was like, "Fatty girl," because my dad called me Fatty. He was like, "Fatty girl, come here." So I'm like, "Okay, Dad, here it comes." So I go and I walk out of the living room into the little hallway, and I stepped on a white mouse. A rat. And I was terrified. I'm pretty sure I thought for like a couple months or years that he set me up.
Damn, squished the head and everything.
It was disgusting. Ugh. Like and that is why I have the phobia that I have now of mice, because nope. Those little things are nasty. You want some of my fries?
No, I'm already full right now.
I'm full too, lucky.
Yeah.
Hikey, I'm full.
Hockey, I'm sexy as shit though. Hey, any girl watching this, add me on Facebook, DeQuon Noble.
The desperate guy who wants people to follow him.
Add my Snapchat, QuonBoy_73.
Alright, let's say one crazy experience that we've had with one ex.
One ex.
Or ex-best friend.
Oh, one ex, here you go. So we on our way to Silverwood, right? Silverwood's a theme park in Idaho. This bitch was driving on the highway.
Don't call her a bitch.
Well, she almost killed me. Driving on the highway, this little bitch fell asleep and swerved to the right. Almost fell in the fucking ditch. Could have been dead. What y'all? Oh yeah, and you know M? No, I didn't mean to call you a bitch. I'll call you M, but I don't know your name.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So me and my cousin, I'm gonna call her Alexis. We were up to no good when we were younger. We were little scammers for real. And we would always go to the mall and steal lip glosses, perfume, all that stuff. One day, she ended up getting caught. And I thanked God that I was not with her that day, because I could have got my little self in trouble stealing.
Damn, both y'all in trouble. I never got caught stealing before. I mean, I got pulled at OJ. I stole my own stuff back.
What stuff did you steal back?
My Game Boys and shit.
Remember when you stole my iPad or iPod?
I borrowed.
No,
hey, listen here. Here's a story. She had an iPod, right? A little iPod. What iPod was that?
Was it a Nano?
It was a Nano, iPod Nano. That bitch did not work.
Can't cuss so much.
It did not work. So I flipped it for $30. What's wrong with that?
And then he lied about it for umpteen years, and then finally confessed.
So?
Ain't that wrong?
No, it was an iPod that didn't work.
And this girl, when I used to live here all the time, used to steal all my clothes and wear all my stuff. You.
Yeah.
But you know, I don't steal.
I kill. What about you, Nan?
I
Tell
kill
us a
Alex.
crazy experience that you've had with an ex-best friend.
That's far back when I had friends. Let's see.
Look. Let me listen to the song.
I don't have one. I can remember.
Yeah, that's not the question. I know I look good.
Alright, y'all. Well, we're going to finish eating all of this food. We're going to try to eat it all. But anyways, if you like this video, give it a quick thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. You can find his information in the description below. And you can find her Facebook in the description below. So y'all can follow. But without further ado...
Hey, wait.
Oh.
Stay tuned for the YouTube channel. Coming soon.
And with that being said, we out.
Baby, you give me